It's Saturday the 14th of March 2015. This is a chart update for Northern Star Resources. Obviously we've had a terrific trend the last 3 months where it doubled in share price. Just the last week or last couple of weeks with the gold price weakness, it started to come back. Even then, the moves haven't been particularly weak compared to some of the other gold stocks. You see, in January when it came down, we had that range there, and we've kind of repeated that this time. Any dips are being bought in the stock, and there's really good signs of institutional money coming into it. It's now, I think, the quite easily the sort of go-to gold stock for some of those those institutions who are trying to play the Australian dollar weakness, which is a pretty good theme at the moment. The gold price is up still past $1,500 Australian in the last week, after getting up to almost 1650, I think, a couple of weeks ago. But Northern Star is still a pretty good stock. I've drawn in a couple of these little trend lines here. I often see this where there's sort of a parallel trends, that if it breaks through one, there's still this other trend here. And it has broken past this main trend line. It's broken through that when it gapped down here, and it's come back up and tested. I think I said that potentially you could see some support on this down move at this previous high, and it did get through that. What the bear case here might be a potential for a bit of a head and shoulders pattern. So we've come up, made a new high, and then come back, and we've tested this 220 level again. Potentially it could come back again to this 190 region, and that's your neckline. And if it breaks through there, you're looking back towards sort of mid 150s. I think the flow of money into this stock is too strong, and they're making all the right moves at the right time in the gold market, in my view. So I don't see that happening, but that's probably the bear case at the moment.